Guys, welcome back. I am Nisha and today I am doing a simple everyday makeup tutorial, and this tutorial I am especially for the college going girls who like simple and very light makeup for themselves, and this tutorial is also going to be very apt or ideal for people who wants to begin doing makeup or the beginners. So yes, and now the products that I am going to use today in this video are very simple, very basic, which you can easily avail in the market near you, which you can easily get in the cosmetic stores near you. And yes, I'll be definitely linking all the products that I'll be using in the description box, so do check them. And this tutorial is going to be super quick, easy and simple, so stay tuned. I hope you will enjoy this video and I hope you all like this video. So let's get started. So first I'll be beginning with moisturizing my face. I'll be using Nivea soft cream, which is a very light moisturizer, and I like to moisturize my skin every time I use makeup, be it a light makeup or heavy makeup or whatever. I'll be moisturizing my face first. Next I'll be using my Maybelline Age Divine Concealer. I'm using concealer because my dark circles are a bit prominent. You can even escape this step. It's not mandatory. If your dark circles are not that prominent, there's no need for you to use concealer. You can directly jump into next step, which I'll be showing. But for me, I need to apply this. I have a wet beauty blender here, small one, and I'll be using it for blending my concealer. So for my next product, I'll be using Lakme 925 CC cream, and I'm in the shade Beige, and I'll be using this as my base. Now I'll be taking my PAC 231 buffing brush for blending the CC cream. maybe do not need to have full coverage, so I'll just let it be as it is because it's a everyday makeup tutorial. So I'm not going to give my face a full coverage, it's just going to be as simple as it is. Next I'll be setting my CC cream with Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. Next I'll be doing my brows with Lakme Absolute Kareena Kapoor Khan collection eyebrow pencil in the shade Expresso. You can also use any other eyebrow pencil of your choice, like I also recommend Maybelline eyebrow pencils for the purpose. I'm not going to dark with my eyebrows right now because I'm just keeping it very simple. Next, I'll be putting my Lakme eyeliner. Yeah, done with my eyeliner. Next I'll be applying Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara for my lashes. Now I'll be taking L'Oreal Kajal Magic Bold for my waterline. I'll be just applying a bit of in the corners of my eyes and just corners of my eyes till the halfway. I want to bring it till the inner corner. Now with my Pro Arte brush, that is a pencil brush, I'll be smudging it a bit. Now I'll be taking again the same mascara and applying on my lower lash line. Now next I'll be taking my Maybelline Color Show blush, and with this blush brush I'll be applying a bit of blush. Next, this tip is optional. If you like a bit of glow, then you can add a bit of highlighter, or else you can just leave it like that also. So I like a bit of glow, so I'll be adding Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter. I'll be just taking it from my ring finger like that, and I'll be just tapping it on my cheekbone. It just gives a slight of glow, nothing more. And then finally I'll be applying my lipstick, which is from Lakme 925. It's in the shade Rosy Sunday. Yeah, that's it, Rosy Sunday. And yeah, I'm done. So that was a just simple look for you all. You might also change the color of the lip shade. I like this shade, so I just applied it, and if you don't like it, you can rather change the shade. Like it's a bit nudie rosy type of color, and I liked it, so I just applied it. If you are a college going girl, then you can also replace it by using some lip gloss or some tinted lip balms, and that will work perfectly fine with this look. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like the look, and if you like the look, do let me know in the comments, and all the description about the products that I have used, I will be linking them below in the description box. Do check them out, and if you have any suggestion or any questions regarding my this tutorial, please do ask me in the comment. I'll definitely try to answer them all. And please do give me a thumbs up if you like my this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please do hit the bell button before you leave, so that you get notified to each and every video of mine every time I upload a new video. And that's it for today. Thank you, take care, love you all, bye.